Turkey has just revealed its latest advancements in military technology, shocking the entire world. The Turkish military has introduced advanced combat drones and AI-powered robots designed for modern warfare. These drones and robots showcase a range of capabilities, from autonomous combat operations to advanced surveillance. They represent the future of warfare and highlight Turkey's military readiness. In this video, we'll examine the features of these combat drones and AI robots and discuss how they might alter global military power dynamics. Let's jump right in with the Bayraktar Akıncı. The Bayraktar Akıncı, developed by Turkish aerospace company Baykar, is a cutting-edge unmanned combat aerial vehicle that represents a significant leap in drone technology. Designed to perform a wide array of tasks, the Akıncı is known for its versatility, long endurance, and ability to carry a variety of advanced weaponry. This UGV is a crucial asset in modern warfare due to its capability to operate at high altitudes and its proficiency in both intelligence gathering and combat roles. One of the standout features of the Akıncı is its ability to operate at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet, which significantly expands its operational scope. This high-altitude capability, combined with its endurance of over 24 hours, allows the drone to undertake prolonged missions without the need for frequent refueling. This endurance is critical for persistent surveillance, intelligence collection, and executing strategic strikes deep into enemy territory. Songar is a low-altitude unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Guard for the Turkish Armed Forces. It includes a quadrotor UAV, a ground control station, and ground support equipment. It operates in both autonomous and manual flight modes, featuring route planning, autonomous flight, and autonomous return to base in critical battery charge level and data link disconnection situations. It can transmit telemetry data and images simultaneously. Songar has an operational range of approximately 10 kilometers and is equipped with both daylight and infrared cameras. It is fitted with several built-in weapons and can remotely destroy targets. It operates at a height of 400 meters above ground level and a maximum elevation of 2.8 kilometers above mean sea level. The drone is dust-resistant, complying with the IP67 standard, and has GPS and global navigation satellite system compatible navigation capability. This system is advantageous because it is low-cost, customizable, easy to use, lightweight, and portable by personnel across multiple units. The KAAN is Turkey's first indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet, marking a significant milestone in the country's aerospace and defense industry. The KAAN is designed to incorporate advanced technologies that position it as a formidable asset in modern air warfare. Among its most notable features are its stealth capabilities, achieved through advanced design techniques that reduce its radar cross-section and improve its survivability in hostile environments. A key aspect of the KAAN fighter jet is its emphasis on artificial intelligence technologies. These include sensor fusion, which allows the aircraft to integrate data from multiple sensors to provide a comprehensive situational awareness to the pilot. Advanced data links enable seamless communication and data exchange with other aircraft and ground units, enhancing coordination and mission effectiveness. The potential integration of autonomous combat capabilities represents a significant step forward in AI development, enabling the jet to make real-time decisions in complex combat scenarios without human intervention. The T-129 ATAK is a versatile attack helicopter developed jointly by Turkish Aerospace Industries and Leonardo Helicopters. This twin-engine multi-role helicopter is designed for both attack and reconnaissance missions, capable of operating in a variety of terrains and environmental conditions. The T-129 is equipped with advanced avionics, weapon systems, and mission equipment, making it highly effective in counter-terrorism operations and conventional warfare scenarios. It can perform a range of missions, from close air support and deep strike to armed reconnaissance and anti-tank warfare. Its advanced targeting systems, including a helmet-mounted display, provide pilots with enhanced situational awareness and precision strike capabilities, making it a formidable force multiplier on the battlefield. In addition to its combat capabilities, the T-129 features advanced electronic warfare systems designed to increase survivability in hostile environments. The Bayraktar TB2 is a tactical armed UAV system developed and manufactured by Baykar in Turkey. It features a sophisticated design that provides all necessary solutions in one integrated system. Thanks to Baykar's technological expertise, the entire system is produced indigenously. The TB2 is a long-endurance tactical unmanned aerial vehicle capable of conducting intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and armed attack missions. Its onboard avionics suite enables fully autonomous taxiing, takeoff, landing, and cruising. The TB2 has proven its efficacy with over 800,000 operational flight hours. Since 2014, it has successfully carried out missions for the Turkish Armed Forces, Gendarmerie, and Turkish National Police. Currently, 257 Bayraktar platforms serve Turkey, Qatar, Ukraine, and Azerbaijan. The TB2 holds Turkish aviation records for endurance and altitude. It is also the first aircraft in its category to be exported abroad. The RIder unmanned ground vehicle has been designed as a force multiplier on the battlefield. It is manufactured by Turkish armored vehicles provider FNSS, a joint venture between Turkish industrial conglomerate Neural and British aerospace and defense firm BAE Systems. The UGV is equipped with an AI-based autonomy kit, decision support systems, a sensor suite, and systems designed for positional and situational awareness. The vehicle's modular design makes it suitable for various missions and operations in difficult conditions and terrains. The architecture supports the integration of different payloads to support a range of missions, including surveillance and reconnaissance, tactical deception, logistics support, communication relay, fire support, and military evacuation. The Bayraktar TB3 is an advanced UAV developed by the Turkish company Baykar, following the success of its predecessor, the Bayraktar TB2. With a folding wing design, the TB3 is tailored for naval operations, enabling it to launch from short runways or ship decks, enhancing Turkey's maritime capabilities. The TB3 features a wingspan of approximately 14 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of around 1,450 kilograms. The UAV is powered by a single turboprop engine, which allows it to achieve a maximum speed of 300 kilometers an hour. The TB3 is designed to carry a payload of up to 280 kilograms, which includes advanced sensors, electro-optical infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and a variety of precision-guided munitions. The TB3 can operate at an altitude of up to 30,000 feet and has an endurance of more than 24 hours, making it suitable for long-duration missions. The UAV is capable of conducting a wide range of missions, including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes against ground and sea targets. The TB3 incorporates advanced avionics, autonomous flight capabilities, and AI for improved navigation, targeting, and situational awareness. The UAV's deployment on the TCG Anadolu will enable Turkey to conduct UAV operations far from its mainland, providing strategic flexibility and extending its operational reach in the Mediterranean, Aegean, and Black Seas. The HÜRJET is a new generation light combat aircraft and advanced jet trainer developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. While primarily designed as a trainer aircraft, the HÜRJET is also intended for combat roles, including close air support, air policing, and counterinsurgency operations. The aircraft's design philosophy emphasizes versatility and adaptability, allowing it to serve multiple roles across various mission profiles. It features a modern airframe with advanced aerodynamics and a high-performance turbofan engine, providing excellent maneuverability and speed. The HÜRJET integrates several advanced technologies that could include AI components. These technologies enhance situational awareness and decision-making, providing pilots with real-time data and analytics to optimize mission outcomes. The HÜRJET is expected to play a key role in Turkey's Air Force, serving both as a trainer for future pilots and as a light combat aircraft capable of performing a range of missions. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Bayraktar, a leading Turkish defense company. The Kızılelma is designed with a low radar cross-section to enhance its stealth capabilities, making it difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. It is equipped with a turbofan engine capable of achieving supersonic speeds, which provides both a tactical advantage in terms of speed and the ability to evade enemy air defenses. The drone is built to perform a wide range of missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, electronic warfare, and ISR missions. Kızılelma is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, including an active electronically scanned array radar, which provides superior target detection and tracking capabilities. The integration of artificial intelligence systems enables advanced autonomous flight operations, such as target acquisition, navigation, and combat engagement, without requiring constant input from human operators. One of the distinguishing features of the Kızılelma is its capability to operate from aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.